Oh, got one, guys. Oh, got one. I think this is a bass. Either that or a very big crappie.
Well, hey everyone, Bill with Fishing with Odad, and man, it's good to be out fishing. This is my first fishing trip since the new year began. And it's the 28th, I think. I haven't even been out fishing yet. Oops. But today we're changing that. And we got something special here that we're going to do today. Pardon me. Anyway, we want to try to get on some of these crappie in here. And I've been having a hard time lately, and I thought, man, there's got to be a way. So I thought I would try something. I got 3 different crappie attractants, and I'll just show them to you. This one's by BaitMate, and it's called Classic Crappie and Panfish Ultra Concentrated Formula. So we're going to try this one. Then we got Berkeley Powerbait Crappie Attractant, huge bottle. We're going to try that one. And then we have the Pro-Cure Bait Fish Formula Super Gel, the ultimate scent for plugs, spinners, spoons, hoochies, flashers, soft plastics. So this one's really not made for crappie, it's made for all kinds of stuff. So we're going to try this one. So we have the Pro-Cure, the Berkeley, and the BaitMate. So we're going to see which one works better. What we're going to do is use the Bobby Garland baby shads, and we're probably going to start out with the monkey milk one here. The water is maybe not. I might start out with the baby shad pink phantom, the pink one here. Yeah, so the Bobby Garland pink Phantom baby shad. What we're going to do, we're going to give each attractant, let's say 20 minutes, and we're going to use the same rod, the same setup, the same lure, and all we're going to do is switch them because we'll have a scent on each one, so I don't want to mix scents. So we'll use one with the BaitMate, one with the Pro-Cure, and one with the Berkeley, and we'll see which one seems to work best, if they work at all. So that's the plan for today. So let's shut up, quit yakking, and get cracking here. Here's our setup. The pink Bobby Garland with a white and red 16th ounce jig head under a float at about 30 inches or so, 32 inches. Here's our timer set for 20 minutes. We're going to do the BaitMate first. Since that's the first one I showed you, that's the first one we're going to start with. So let's get it, put it on, and get the fishing. Had it in my pocket. And this is a spray on. This is kind of nice, and it's not getting all over your hands, you know. So let's give it a shot. See what happens. Ooh. Liberal dose there. Okay. All right. The first cast of 2023. Here we go. Yeah, the water is kind of murky. So I think this pink one is going to do better. Well, at least I hope it's going to do something. Okay, there we go. First cast, settled in. Nothing yet. Give it a little twitch. Oh, got to start our timer. Okay, there we go. Countdown. So we'll give this one 20 minutes. Then we'll try the next brand and give it 20 and try the next one. And then what we'll do is maybe switch lures, different color. We're going to stay with the pink for all three. So far, nothing. Not even a tap. I have those new 45-degree angle hooks on those jig heads. I think I've only caught one fish on them. I haven't really used them that much. Plus the fishing has been kind of crazy. At least it was in December. So all those videos you've seen come out in January, those are December's videos. So this is my first fishing trip in 2023. So far, the BaitMate has had two bites. Oh, there we go. Oh, that was a good one. Screwed up my time. I had 19 hours instead of... I had 20 hours instead of 20 minutes. Anyway, we reset it. I figured I've been fishing for about 4 minutes, so we reset it to 16. And so I've had 4 hits. 4 hits with the BaitMate. Oh, got one, guys. Got one. Got one. I don't know what it is. It's a crappie. Yes. Yes. Okay, guys. Got our first fish of the day, a nice little crappie on the pink Bobby Garland and the BaitMate. So, yeah, that's what we got right there. Yeah, how's that? All right, let's let them go. All right, fish number 1. That was about 14 minutes in, 6 minutes in. Yeah, it came in about 13 minutes, so, all right, let's do it again. Put some more on. Hey, and by the way, that was the first fish of 2023. Nice little crappie, exactly what we're going for with the BaitMate. Oh, got another hit. I think we got one, guys. Got another one. All right. Got another fish, guys. Another crappie, a very small one. Second fish of 2023, a very small bluegill. Very small crappie, but a nice little fish. All right, so far they're liking this Bobby Garland and the BaitMate. Classic crappie and panfish attractant. Got about 7 minutes to go.
That's nice. Didn't turn my cameras on. Well, guys, those first 2 are going to be on the main camera only. Because El Domo forgot to turn the other 2 cameras on.
Timer went off. All right, guys, the timer went off. So we fished 20 minutes with the BaitMate fish attractant here, classic crappie and panfish, ultra concentrated. So anyway, what we'll do now is set the timer again for 20 minutes and we'll try the Berkeley. That was the next one I showed you, or was it the Procure? Nah, I think it was the Berkeley. So let's do that, but we'll be right back. Alright guys, we're back. Gonna switch out the Bobby Garland to a new one, and won't have the other scent on it. And we'll use the Berkeley here, the Berkeley Powerbait crappie attractant, or in the South you might want to call it crappie. So anyway, that's what we're doing. Alright, so we got the new one on, and we're going to put some of the Berkeley on there. This stuff is a lot thicker than that other stuff. It seems to stay on better. Yeah, it's a lot thicker. That bottle is going to last forever.
Alright, first cast with the Berkeley, and as soon as it hits the water we'll set the timer. Alright, here we go. Alright, 20 minutes. Well, the Powermate, or the BaitMate, caught 2 fish, and I had like 7 bites, I believe it was.
Well, so far with the Berkeley, no bites. No bites. I had bites pretty quickly on the BaitMate.
Oh. Had one. And I lost my jig. Unless that was a snag. I lost my jig.
Well, I don't know if that was a snag or a fish, but I lost my jig, so we got to put another one on. So we're going to stop the clock. Yeah, we'll stop the clock and put a new jig on. Alright, so no bites. I think I had one bite on the Berkeley Powerbait, but I'm not 100% sure what that was. Beautiful day to be out here fishing. It's been very cold at night, down into the 20s. I have no idea what the water temperature is.
Oh, got one, guys. Oh, got one. I think this is a bass. Either that or a very big crappie. That's a bass. That's a nice little bass. Nothing real big, but he's respectable.
Well, guys, we didn't get our crappie on the Berkeley Powerbait, but yeah, we did get a nice bass. So, yeah, I'd say he's a good pound, very healthy feller. The first bass, my first bass of 2023, that's cool.
Well, let's let him go. So that's 3 fish. There you go, little feller.
All right, that's 3 fish for the day, 3 fish for the year. 3 fish in my first outing of 2023. And the first fish on the Berkeley Attractant. So, let's put some more on and get to fishing. Alright, we got 7 minutes left on this, and we'll try the Procure. Now after we're done with the Procure in this spot, we're going to move to another spot and put a different color lure on. I think we'll stay with the Bobby Garlands and put monkey milk on, and we'll repeat the process.
Okay, that's it, guys.
Alright guys, the 20 minutes is up with Berkeley, so now we're going to try the Procure. We're going to switch to Bobby Garland's to a new pink one, and then put some Procure on it and see what happens. What do you say? Alright guys, new Bobby Garland. Bobby Garland here, and we're going to use the Procure. Super gel, super sticky, super strong, super effective, made from real fresh bait, then supercharged with powerful amino acids and bite stimulants. Ooh, sounds good. Only problem is, can't eat it. It says not for human consumption. So, don't eat this stuff, man. Alright, we're going to put it on. Ooh. They're right. Man, super sticky. Super duper sticky. Wow, this is the stickiest stuff yet. Yeah, man. That is something else. And if I remember right, I don't remember the prices, but I do remember the Procure was a bit more than the other two. So I'll leave a link. Man, that smells like bait. I'll leave a link in the description below the video, and you can see what the prices are. So, all right, we're going to start our timer again. All right. Whoop. Okay, here we go. When it hits the water, I'll set it. All right. There we go.
Oh, got a bite already. Oh, missed that one. Oh, man. All right, we're going to put some more bait, more attractant on there, more Procure. Oh, it's still on there. I don't need to. Man, it is thick. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, got a bite. Oh, another bite. Oh, I felt that one. Now I had a bite within 30 seconds of the first cast, but nothing now. Okay, got it. All right. Oh, I lost it.
Well, I had a fish on, I had a crappie on, and he got off. I'm going to consider, you know, I just didn't land it. I'm going to consider that a fish on the Procure. Yeah. I'm going to put a little bit more on. That stuff stays on forever. It is super sticky, dudes and dudettes.
But so far the Procure, it's been the quickest acting. Oh, nothing on it. But I can see the Procure. It's a brown color. The BaitMate was red. The Berkeley was on the clear side. The wind's picked up. Clouds have dissipated a little. So that changes the dynamics here. And the wind's picked up and is now going straight that way. Before it was coming kind of... Oh, that was a nice bite. That was a nice bite.
Okay, that's it, guys. Okay, timer just went off on the Procure. So, we're going to switch spots and not very far, just go over there. Different angle on the sun, a whole 9 yards and all that. Anyway, so yeah, we're going to repeat the process, change the color. We'll stay with the Bobby Garland, we'll go with the monkey milk, and we'll start all over again. Oh, my tree. My tree.